Hey, I'm Todd from Johnson Auto Body, and today we're excited because it's a new year. There's new models coming out. That means less aftermarket parts we have to mess with. We're really excited when they do come out with a new model because for at least a little while, there's no aftermarket parts. We can just buy the factory parts for a new model. It might take a little bit of extra time, but there's none of the going back and forth and having to have an insurance tell us we got to get an aftermarket part from Kentucky or Rhode Island or Hawaii. All sorts of crazy stuff, man. They're just, this one's $30 cheaper, get it over here. We don't have to worry about any of that stuff, so I'm really excited. We just love OEM parts because the fit and finish is there. We don't have to worry about anything. We don't have to prove to anybody that it's not the right thing. It's the right thing. It was engineered for that car. It was designed exactly for that car. It's the perfect part for that car, and it makes our jobs way easier. So, you know, like every couple of years, people do refreshes on new models. In between, like every year or two, they're gonna do like trim changes, things like that. But we're excited when they come out with a new body style, a whole new redesign, the big one. Because that means we don't have to worry about those aftermarket parts for a while. And it's gonna be a challenge because we get to see what changes on our end. Because every year they come out with new stuff. There's new ways we gotta do things. There's new processes. There's new everything. As much as we don't want to see you get in an accident, we're always excited to see the new cars, see the new body styles, see the new technology, see the new procedures on how to fix things. It's always just an exciting time to get to see a new body style of car. As always, if you ever have any questions, swing by or give us a call here at Johnson Auto Body.